This is Kayla, and she's in Mouse.
I'm from here. I like to make stuff like this. I used to think electronics and circuits look like this. And this.
And then she learned about Mouse's Circuitry and Electronics course and realized that building with circuits meant she can make stuff like this.
And stuff like this. This is a breadboard. This is an LED light. This is a resistor. This kid is programming LEDs with a breadboard and an Arduino. This is an Arduino. This stuff is pretty easy to figure out.
She learned it through Mouse's Circuitry and Electronics course.
Here's where you can find this stuff.
This is what a project looks like.
Here's where you find all the important information. This is where they put the steps for each activity.
Here are some of the analog circuits you'll build. Here are some of the Arduino circuits you'll program. These are the 3 badges you'll earn after you finish the course. Here's what it will be like when you earn your badges. And all your mouse friends will be like,
Here's where you get started.